Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December 19th, 2022. We're going to talk about Dogecoin today and see how the effects of the FTX collapse has impacted the price move of Dogecoin. You guys can see it. The price has gone down ever since the collapse has occurred. Pretty much every cryptocurrency has done the same thing. I wanted to come in and see if we can actually put on a price prediction. I haven't done a price prediction in Dogecoin since my last prior video, which was on November the 30th. And I wanted us to see how strong the market was in Dogecoin at that particular time. So let's go to November the 30th. And this is where the market was when I created the video. And I wanted us to see how strong the market was in Dogecoin because we were in an upward trend. But take a look at this. This horizontal line, which I created, is actually still valid. You guys can see right here on December the 1st. And even here, definitely here on December the 5th, the price action in Dogecoin could not break above 10.5 cents, 11 cents. I wonder why. I wonder how could we actually already anticipate that the price action in Dogecoin would get rejected right there? Because prior history has shown us that that is where sellers were. That's the reason. Nothing more outside of that. That's the reason why Dogecoin has gone down since then, is because this massive area of sellers were positioned right there around 10.5 cents to 11 cents. So now, considering that that is the case, and considering that price action in Dogecoin is definitely in a downtrend, where do you think price is going to go? Where do you think is the easiest place for price to move? Yes, it's to the downside. So we need to consider that price in Dogecoin has a greater probability of going down than it does going up right now. Until we see the market change and knock out all of the things that I just addressed previously. One, we need to break this downtrend. Two, we need to see the market trade above 10.5 cents, 11 cents to the upside. Until then, our idea needs to be maintained that we're going to look for price in Dogecoin to go lower and at best trade within these two lines, which is drawn on my chart. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this on the weekly chart because I wanted to see how weak the market was in Dogecoin, and it wasn't that strong. Like, look at last week right here. So the spread of this weekly price bar with the slight increase in volume from the prior week kind of tells us that, yeah, the market's not really all that strong. Here it is on the 2 weeks, and I don't like it here on the 2 weekly chart neither, because on this 2 weekly price bar, we did see some buyers. We saw more buyers on this particular 2 weekly price bar than we did on this last completed one. We saw the market run up, get rejected at 11 cents, and came right back down to pretty much where we were 2 weeks ago. That tells you that the market is not strong. That tells you that the buyers have left the building. So if anything, we're going to look for the price in Dogecoin to continue to trend lower. Now I can see it, and let me show it to you, because the market may only go this low. Okay, we may only see the market run down to like 7 cents and continue to hold support there. The buyers could definitely show up right there at 7 cents. Okay, so let me put that out there, because a lot of people may think that I don't know how low price is going to go. Well, I can already see that we may not fall that far, and it's right there around 7 cents. So that's going to be my first price target already for Dogecoin. Now for this particular 3 weekly price market, look at this. So in the next 6 days and 13 hours, if we see the market down here in Dogecoin, then yeah, I'm going to look for it to come all the way back down to like 5.5 cents. So here it is on the 5 weekly chart. And again, we're still seeing weakness. So all of these time frames is still showing us that price action in Dogecoin has the greatest probability of going down than it does going up right now. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart, this price prediction real quick on the daily time frame. And we're going to look for the market to go lower. Now, with that being stated and said, I'm looking for that first price target. You guys can remember I said around 7 cents. And that's around 9% move to the downside in Dogecoin there. That's my first price target. My second one is going to be around 6.5 cents, 0.067. And that's around 13%. And then my third one, I'm just going to do 6.5, which is around 15.5% move to the downside in Dogecoin. Okay, now we're going to play the weakness into the market in Dogecoin as long as the price action stays below 9 cents. Okay, 9 cents is where it's at. So if we see the market in Dogecoin do this, become all of a sudden bullish, but we see it get rejected at 9 cents, then we're going to maintain the weakness into the market If the chances of Dogecoin breaking 9 cents, then we would definitely become more bullish and change the price prediction and then look for the market to ride higher. Okay, so that is it. I want you all to give me a quick comment as to how you think the price move in Dogecoin is going to happen over the next couple of weeks into the new year of 2023, and tell me, what is your price target? I've shown you what I think. I've even told you what I think. Now I want to know, what do you all think? Make sure you join me, hit that like button instead of it, also subscribe to the channel, because you're not going to get any hype, any FUD, any FOMO. I just simply look at the price chart because that is where the action takes place. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.